Meaning of edema.
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 Edema. Edema refers to the accumulation of excess fluid in bodily tissues, resulting in swelling and often accompanied by pain and discomfort. The condition is caused by a disruption in the balance of fluids in the circulatory system, which may be the result of an underlying medical condition, such as heart, kidney, or liver disease, or trauma to the affected area. Treatment typically involves addressing the underlying cause of the edema, although medications to reduce the swelling and compression therapy may also be used to manage symptoms.